All right. Good morning, everybody. Go ahead and switch over to Canvas. Just want to remind you guys this week you have this on your plate for 1012 through 1018. So that is the essential question and the check-in. Both of those are due Sunday night by 11:59 p.m. No later. So make sure you're setting aside time between now and then. Still plenty of time to look at the material, watch the video tutorial, right? Work through those practice problems, and then do those two things between now and Sunday. But if you wait till Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, right, you're kind of pushing yourself into a corner. So get on top of those things today if you haven't already. And then next week's stuff is already uploaded and activated for you as of yesterday. So same thing next week. We're talking about proving that lines are parallel. We've talked about with parallel lines, there's properties that come with that, like angles are equivalent or congruent, or maybe angles are supplementary. This section is talking about if you have congruent angles, does it prove that the lines are parallel? So it's kind of the opposite thought. So not a big stretch. It shouldn't go too bad for you. But just so you know, that is unlocked, uploaded, ready for you. The essential question and the check-in should be good to go. So a couple more announcements. You had advisory today. So if you didn't make advisory this morning, make sure you email your advisor and tell them, hey, I missed class for whatever reason. What do I need to know? That way you're marked present. No late assignments. I'm actually writing an email right now to a student that asked to do a late assignment. Just so everybody knows, I know there's, however many people in here right now, but not everybody's listening, more than likely, because I have to keep repeating this. So I'm sorry for people that have heard this 30 times. But no late assignments. You've got 11 days to knock these assignments out. And truthfully, the assignments aren't that demanding of you. So make sure you're setting aside time to get these assignments done. Let me put the caveat in there though. If you have something like an emergency that happened in your life, something happened, my house burned down, a family member died, something crazy like that, I mean, of course, reach out to me. There's things we can do, right? But when I say no late assignments, I'm talking to the people that just procrastinated all week and pushed it off and thought they were going to do it late, but then forgot about it or didn't end up doing it or whatever. Those are the types of situations where there's no late assignments. So please let me know if there is something that legitimately happened and we need to work through something. But other than that, if you just forgot, you just kind of have to take the zero and move on. Test policy. I emailed out on Tuesday, and I don't think I talked to you guys about it. I don't remember if I did or not. On Tuesday, I sent you an email about a new testing policy for the math department. So make sure if you haven't read that email, go back and read that. If you're not reading your email, at least checking it on a daily basis, start doing that. Write yourself a note, set a reminder in your phone, whatever, to check your email. Make sure you're not missing information, okay? Because I try to share everything on our Zoom meets, but like I said, I don't think everybody's got 100% of their focus on the screen right now or listening. So some of that important stuff like testing information, things like that, I'll email that out as well. So make sure you're checking emails. All right. I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to let these people in and pause for questions. Go ahead and unmute yourself if you got a question. All right. Looks like everybody's in here. I see something going on in the chat, so let me check it out. Sweet. Good to hear, Jose. All right. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? All right. Take care. We'll see you next Tuesday. If you want to hang back and ask some questions, I'm here for you. So just hang out for just a second. Thank you. Ryan, Toby, you just came in. I'm going to get this uploaded to Canvas here in just a few minutes or as soon as we wrap up our online session. So feel free when, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 minutes from now. If it's not up in Canvas, check back in like a half an hour, but it should be up there soon. No, you're cool. No worries. Thanks, Toby. Ryan, questions? Ryan, you there?